Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11. Sleep mode can help save power, but it can also be frustrating when your computer goes to sleep while you're working, watching videos, downloading files, or running important tasks. Let's get started. First, open the Windows search bar and type Control Panel, then click on it to open. Inside Control Panel, make sure View by is set to large icons or small icons. Now click on Power Options. Next, click on Change Plan Settings next to your currently selected power plan. Here, you'll see the option called Turn Off the Display. Change this setting to Never for both. On battery. Plugged in. This will prevent your computer from automatically entering sleep mode. Once you've made the changes, click Save Changes. And that's it. Your Windows 11 PC will no longer go to sleep automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.